Hey everybody, do you need an easy, tasty appetizer for an upcoming party? Well, I think you're gonna like this mini wonton quiche. You can make it in a flash. I have already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to spray my mini muffin pan. And then I'm going to start putting my wonton wraps inside of the cups, and you want to leave a little bit of it at the top. I have beaten my 4 eggs and my 1 tablespoon of flour, and now I'm going to add my ham, green onions, and a red bell pepper. After I have mixed everything together, now is the fun part of filling the wontons. I'm going to use half a tablespoon in each of the wontons. Now I'm going to place in the oven and bake on 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. You want to make sure that the center has set. This is a great recipe to get creative with your leftovers. Enjoy!